Hey, in this video I will show you how to fast boost your Steam profile level. As you may know, with a high profile level you can increase amount of friends, set more showcases, your profile will be shown above other friends, and it will boost your trust factor in many games. As you level up you will also get a lot of badges on your profile. So a high Steam profile level makes your account very beautiful. I have to say before your account must be unlimited. That means you have to spend at least $5 on your account, buying games or just add money. There are some methods to boost your level. You can get first 5 levels by completing community tasks. Steam made it to show you all the community features allowed to you. That's free and pretty easy, but it takes some time. When you complete all these tasks you will get the community leader badge. The fastest way to boost your level is to use trading cards. When you collect all different cards for one game you can make a badge. One badge gives you 100 XP. You can upgrade one badge up to 5 times. But how to get these trading cards? Use Steam Community Market, but this is kinda expensive and very long time. One of the best ways is to use Steam Level Up website. You can find this link in the description. Make sure your profile is public, and also you can get trade offers. Log into this service using your Steam account. As you can see it shows my current level. You can enter here the level you want. Then it will instantly calculate how much money you have to spend to get this level. The system takes the cheapest cards from the market you can use on your profile. I want to boost one of my accounts to 10 level. I said before, you have to make your profile public in order the website checks badges you already have, and they will send you the cards of the badges you don't have yet. Okay, you can use different payment methods like credit card, crypto, and skins or gems from your inventory. I will use crypto since it's the cheapest one for me. Then they ask you to enter your trade link. You can get it with this link. After this you need to confirm your email address. You have to do that only one time, with the first purchase. When you confirm the email you can make a payment. Click level up, and then buy with crypto, or another method you chose before. The next step is just making a payment. In my case it's crypto, and I will pay with Litecoin. After some time the money I sent was added to my account, and now I can buy the needed level. Go to the main page again, enter the desired level, and pay with the method you just used to add money. Click level up, and then place order. You will receive the trade offer in some seconds. Accept it, and now you can craft the badges to get 10 level. That's pretty fast and easy, just craft the badges. As you can see my profile is now 10 level. I spent only $1.6 to do that. If I used Steam Market I would have spent $2 or even more. So using this service is the fastest and cheapest way to boost your Steam profile level. After I made the badges I also get a lot of backgrounds and emojis, and also some coupons to buy games in the Steam store. Some of these items can be sold on the Steam Market, or you can convert it to gems and use it again to increase your level. In this video I showed you how to boost your Steam profile level. Thanks for watching.